What's up, everyone? We're back with another video. Today I reached my daily limit. I'm gonna be opening the Blizzard pack. Very excited for this. We don't have any packs, not even, so I have 1,060 coins, so we're gonna be spending some on that. So we'll get to opening these. So hopefully we can pull the Santa Claus here. I'm opening it right now, not after Christmas, just to make sure I don't miss the pack, because I wouldn't like to do that. Ooh, we got a snowman already. Sheesh, I don't think we got the gingerbread man yet. Oh yeah, we just got it. Or that uncommon. So, yeah, I guess all we need is the Santa Claus and the chromas now. If you don't pull it here, I'll... Oh, Santa already. Holy crap. Santa, 1%. Oh, let's go. We got the Santa. That was the shortest video of my life. Holy crap. 1 minute. Oh my gosh, guys. We pulled the Santa and I got it on Grandma. And that was on my alt account. Dang, we got every single book in this Blizzard pack. So let's go. We got all of those. Plus, I even got it on camera. So, yeah, guys, I'd recommend liking and subscribing. We still have a ton of coins left. And let's see. I will see how many. We have 675 with reselling. So, holy crap, I'll save those for the next episode. We'll probably be opening the breakfast pack. So, yeah, guys, like and subscribe on the video there. It's only 2 minutes. Peace, guys.